This is our trenchless sewer replacement process. The process begins by digging 2 access points on each end of the sewer line. After this is completed, our technicians prepare the pipe and attach it to a solid wire, which will later pull the pipe underground while getting rid of the old one. This is the hammer head. It will be introduced into the older pipe, and it will be pulled to the other end by our pipe burst machine. Our technicians then prepare our pipe burst machine and put it in place. They connect the solid wire which is attached to the pipe at the other end. At Hydroforce Plumbing, we have experienced personnel with more than 20 years in the field. This gives our customers security and trust towards our team. Once the technicians prepare the pipe and have attached it to the hammerhead, the next step is to use our pipe burst machine to pull it and bring it to the other end. This process takes from 1 to 2 days. The results are compelling. Once the pipe is finally pulled, then it is ready to be attached to the county line. The 2 access points are then backfilled and the work area is left clean. After the job is completed, the yard looks as if nothing has happened. At Hydroforce Plumbing, we provide professionalism at the best prices. Call us now for a quote. Hydroforce Plumbing, plumbing solutions for all.